Okay, so someone asked me this question yesterday. They're trying to get Jamaican citizenship for their spouse, and I suggested getting citizenship by descent because the person also has Jamaican parents. Of course, I was asked to explain why go by descent if they have their marriage certificate instead of going by marriage. Citizenship by descent is a lot faster. It costs less and it requires way less documents. Citizenship by descent requires a birth certificate for the Jamaican, birth cert for the applicant, and a valid ID, whereas citizenship by marriage requires pay stubs and fingerprints and marriage certificates, and it costs $300. Now, citizenship by descent is only possible if you're a descendant of a Jamaican. So in the case of my client, both of his parents are Jamaicans, but you can qualify through parent, grandparent, or even great-grandparent, and you only need one. You only need one parent, grandparent, or great-grandparent to be Jamaican to be eligible for citizenship by descent. Citizenship by descent is clearly the better choice. It is faster, it costs less, and it requires way less documents. I am Gail of 876 Documents. If you need us to assist you with your citizenship by descent for your American-born or other foreign-born kids, give us a call. We can assist you. Thanks for watching.